Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the second regular puzzle, a Sudoku medium, in today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, May the 17th, 2023, and I've told you in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles. Tomorrow also no newspaper because tomorrow it's Assassin's Day. So what I will do is in the evening I will look for an old additional with Sudokus left. Um, yeah, I will do this tonight and tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. Okay, but first this medium Sudoku. By the way, news of today: War Day number 448. 448 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Medium Sudoku, number 6448. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 28 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, the 1 star Sudoku has 27, and for a 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, this one should be easier than the 1 star. We'll see if this is easier than the 1 star puzzle. All right, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the number 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, second column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. Yeah, 5 in the middle row, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1, okay. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. Okay, and now how about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 4, 8, 9. 489, 489, 489, and look, we have 4 and 8 in this row, so no 4 and 8 in this box. 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 9. Then. We have here, let me see, the 6 in the last column, the 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. The 9 in this column, the 9 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And we have a pair. The 6 and the 9 in this row, the 6 and the 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 6 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. Here 9 in that row, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. Alright. Okay. Then 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. Here 6 in that row, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. This is number 3, number 6. Alright. Then, let me think. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 2, 7, 8. 2, 7, 8, 2, 7, 8, 2, 7, 8. And look, we have an 8 in this column, so no 8 in this box. Here an 8 in this column, so no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 in the last row should be there. So the 2 and the 7 are left. I cannot fill those yet. I need to wait. But we have 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So last column, no, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see an 8 in the first row, so no 8 there. Here an 8 in the second row, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, 8. Yeah. Cannot continue with 8 now. Need to wait. Yeah. Alright, need to wait. How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing number in this big square is number 4. We have a 4 in the first row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes here. 4 in this column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. 4, okay. Now, 1. Yeah, we have a pair. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the last column, so no 1 in this box. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 and a 4 in the last column. The 1 in one of those 2 boxes and the 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 1 and the 4 goes in these 3 boxes. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. And look, we have 1 and a 4 in the last row, so no 1 and a 4 in this box. The 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Wait. Let me mark those. So here we have a 2 and a 7. There we have also a 2 and a 7. And here we have also a 2 and a 7. Okay. Missing number here is the 3 here. We have a 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. So the 2 and the 7 are left. Alright. Then we have a pair again, a 1 and a 3 in this row. The 1 and the 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and a 3. Okay, here should be also 2 and a 7. Let me think. How about 7? We've only here 1 7 here. Interesting. 7, need an 8 here. Need an 8. 1, 7, and 3 is missing. We have a 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. We have a pair again. Oh, no. Yeah, we have a pair. The 1 and the 2 in the first column, the 1 and the 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. 1 box left in the second column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7. We have a 7 now in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 and a 7, we have a 7 now in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for number 7. Yeah, 1 box left in the first row for number 1. The 2 is missing, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. The 2 in the first row, the 2 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in the last row for number 1. The 2 is missing. The 2 in this column, the 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 1 box left in the middle row for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 1 and the 4, we have a 1 now in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and 8. Here also 3 and 8 are missing in this row. Well. How about these 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers? The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 in the third row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes 3 and 8. We have an 8 now in this big square, so no 8 there. So this box should be a 3. And 1 box left in this row for number 8. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. Oh, wait. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 now in the middle column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 and a 7. We have a 4 now in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in the middle column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Told you need to be faster than 15 minutes. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, so we do doing so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last regular puzzle, a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix. Until then, bye-bye for now.